Senator John Meru thanks Olkarau people for voting DCP against UDA. Speaking today at Wamnyoro during a Thanksgiving event, he said the election was a wave that UDA could not merge.
Mimi, I want to thank all of you most sincerely, because you gave your blood and sweat. You really fought so hard. As a person who was given that responsibility with the Honorable Wanjiku Muya to lead this particular team, I am a very proud leader. I am so happy. Your Excellency, you don't know the kind of commitment that we saw in this team. I keep reminding this little girl here called Wangeshi, Wakili. She came to Olkarau and was there for 3 weeks. Even when I think it became very difficult, she got a home to be staying in a place called Gashwe. And that is the kind of commitment that we saw in our people. There was another lady called, is running in Maragua, Wambunyutu. When chefs were not enough in our small, we try to copy here. Things are difficult, so we can't cook for everybody. Na hiyo mtu mmoja aliniambia ati mkikuja huku mnakula matunda na mkikuja Muguma mko mnakula matunda, tafadhali. We did what we could. This lady was in the kitchen. Alikuwa anasaidia mpaka watu wa kitchen kupika. And all of you, I think I am very grateful on behalf of our team and on behalf of the party. We are very grateful. Maybe just as the party leader said, whatever we can do, kulipisha, we shall try.
He further said in the coming election as the Secretary General of the DCP party, he will ensure there will be free and fair nominations.
Mimi kama Secretary General yenu, kazi yangu ni tatu. Namba moja ni kusukuma chama. It is my work kusukuma chama. And I will do my best to ensure that this momentum that you have, itaendelea na iendelee kabisa. And that is why I can give you a commitment without fear of contradiction. It is my position that those of you who are seeking elective positions, please continue. But I promise you that our nominations will be free, fair, and credible. I know some people don't want to clap because they think they are my friends, so I can do anything about it. There's nothing I can do about it. In fact, don't even come to speak to the party leader. Just go and speak to your voters. How ndio watu watakupatia kiti? This young man here was refusing to go for nomination. He's my friend. He refused to go for nomination. I told him, you will not become member of parliament. Alikubali tu hivyo shingo pande, lakini you see, there's nothing would have done. Huyu alikuwa ananiambia tunaenda naye na pikipiki, that he is my friend. I could do nothing, my brother, and it will be the same for all of us. So tuweke bidii. Hiyo ndio kazi yangu namba moja, ya kusukuma chama. Kazi yangu namba mbili ni ya kuhakikisha hii gari ya kupeleka William Ruto nyumbani tumeweka grease, tumeangalia kila kitu ndio isiwahi simama hata siku moja. It is my work kuweka bidii kabisa tuhakikishe tumesukuma William Ruto aende nyumbani.
Finally, he strongly said Rigathi Gachagua will be their presidential candidate and he is the one who will take Ruto home.
As a party, we have a presidential candidate. Tunaye ama hatuna? As a party, Mheshimiwa Mboya, I want you to listen properly. Let me stand here so that you can see me. You know you can't say it. I will say it because it's our party. I'm the Secretary General of the party. As a party, we have a presidential candidate. Anaitwa nani? Anaitwa nani? Our work, Mheshimiwa Mboya, is to push Rigathi Gachagua from this region. These 6 million people, we are pushing Rigathi Gachagua to come to the table. Akuja ongea na hao wenye atapata huko. Lakini kazi yetu kila siku utakuwa unasema Rigathi the 6th, Rigathi the 6th, Rigathi the 6th. Akifika hapo kwa meza mtaambiana vile mtaambiana. Akikuja atuambie mmekubaliana njia nyingine, it's up to him. But as a party, we have a presidential candidate and we shall push our presidential candidate kwa nguvu yetu yote. And I'm sure you have seen, Your Excellency, you can actually stay in Wamnyoro here. Na utoke hapa ukienda kuapishwa. Unaweza kaa hapa na usitoke. Hii jeshi yenye umetengeneza hapa ni jeshi inatosha kukutafutia kiti. Tunatosha ama hatutoshi? Ma minister umesahau, kwa hiyo watu walikuwa na hesabu. Iko mpaka magavana. Walikuwa wamekuja hapa magavana 3. Governor yote mama alikuwa Olkarau. Akiwinda huyu Kamau. Walikuwa wameambiwa kama wewe ni mama na ni governor, enda Olkarau. Wote walikuwa wamefika Olkarau. Hii jeshi yote ni ya kuhakikisha tunasukuma Rigathi Gachagua aende State House. But not to say that hatujampatia freedom ya kukaa na watu wengine. Kazi ya kukaa na watu wengine, we trust his wisdom. Akae na watu wengine wazungumuze. Lakini as far as we are concerned, Mheshimiwa Mboya, as far as we are concerned, as your Secretary General, I'm looking to you directly into your eyes. And you know me. Siniliambia hata Kasongo, si unajua nilimwangalia tu kwa macho kama vile na kuangalia. Nikamwambia as far as we are concerned as a party, we have a presidential candidate called Rigathi Gachagua and we shall push him mpaka tumfikishe huko.